Welcome to telaHosting. How to create subdomains using DNS settings in DirectAdmin. Subdomains allow you to create separate sections of your website like a blog, store, or landing page without buying a new domain. There are two ways to create a new domain: using the subdomain creation tool inside DirectAdmin or manually adding subdomain through DNS settings. In this video, we are focusing on the second method, which is creating subdomains using DNS settings. This method is useful if your domain's DNS is managed outside telaHosting. You want to point the new domain to another server. You want manual control over DNS entries. You prefer a custom configuration. Now let's get into the real steps. First, log into your DirectAdmin account. Once inside, locate the Account Manager section and click DNS Management. Here you'll see all your current DNS records for your domain. Click Add Record and select a record to create a new subdomain. In the name field, enter the subdomain you want, for example, blog or store. This will create blog.yourdomain.com or store.yourdomain.com. In the IP address field, enter the server IP address provided by your hosting provider. Leave TTL as default unless you want to customize it, then click Save. This step tells the internet this subdomain lives on this server. If your hosting uses IPv6, you can also add an AAA record with your IPv6 address, but it's optional. Your subdomain is now active and points to your server. In some cases, you may want the new domain to load from a specific folder. To do that, go back to DirectAdmin dashboard, click on File Manager and click on Domain and click on New Folder. Create a new folder. This is the folder where you upload the contents of your new domain. Some hosting setups create these folders automatically, but it's good to check. Once the new domain's DNS records is saved, you need to give it time to propagate, usually a few minutes up to 24 hours, so it might take some time for the subdomain to work globally. You can check your propagation by using tools like dnschecker.org. We already have a video on how to check DNS propagation online, so check it out. And that's it. With just a few clicks, adding an A record pointing to your server IP and creating a folder, your subdomain becomes active and ready for use without buying extra domains. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.